तो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे जुबीन गार्ग का वो मेमोरियल के लिए अभी हम लोग यहाँ पे कैंडल जलाने के लिए जमा हुआ है। तो ये चेक करो भाई। तो यहाँ पे
तो kualai na doon na
Kan si manitum ani kan sampol katowe tum dak ketong katowe pasan ni ni tlong kan kartong pa no na pengi ni kan sampol tum pa no nasun no por ili tum katowe sa kami sini no ili tum kaching hon didinda Taralangso kirkelang avila nasi pini ili tum kadang di pan kachikimo je pan si tum damen tum singrom no nasi ili tum nona bangke alang di pan kachikimo lo ada lo itu condolence party second itu next box
si kita bisa nanti ini kadang kan ikut ni kilo lah sih kan sebab ini tom cikimo sih na kalau ni juga tak kan Sambil aku kan gitu namanya cak.
Nani mama Zubinda? Ada deh.
Nang tu ba ingnek dat palo.
Oke. Oke.
Taralangso, block number, to give our condolences towards the legend, the one and only singer, that is Zubeen. He has countless legendary songs, memorable songs. He is remembered not only all through Assam but all over India as well as in other countries as well. So it is a big loss for our Assam that such a beautiful personality, such a talented person like him has been passed away. So today we show a little bit of our gratitude, our appreciation to him for all that he has given to us. And so today we have all gathered here as students and we are showing this as a form of grievance, as a form of condolences to Zubeen. And I hope that he will have an eternal rest in the afterlife and he will find peace. So that's it. Thank you. चलो चिरू में मेरे